Yes, my dear student, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing great. I am also absolutely fine. Today in this video, we are going to announce a Power Prep revision batch for CA Inter Advanced Accounting paper which will be applicable for May 2025 examination. Few days before, IC has announced the examination result for CA Inter student. Many students have passed successfully, but there are many students who were deserving students. I'm not saying that they are not deserving, they were good students. But due to lack of understanding about one or more subject or due to lack of practice, this time they are not able to pass the examination. They are not able to pass the examination successfully. It does not mean in the next attempt they will not be able to pass. Of course, with more practice, with more understanding of the concept for the subject in which they have not get the marks properly, if they do that properly in the coming attempt, if they revise the concept properly in the coming attempt, believe me, they will become successful in the coming examination, that is May 2025 examination. And for that reason, we are announcing a Power Prep batch for CA Inter Advanced Accounting paper. However, we are providing for the entire subject, all subject group 1, group 2. But because I take CA Inter Advanced Accounting paper, so in this video, I'll give you details about CA Inter Advanced Accounting paper. For other subject, of course, you can inquire in the inquiry number given at the end of this video. Got this point? Means we are providing for both group 1 and group 2 the Power Prep revision batch. But in this video, we'll be discussing about only CA Inter Advanced Accounting paper. Got this point? So let me give you the details about the batch so that you can plan your revision with me and as per your own comfort. Now, but before I give you the entire details about the batch, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and do like this video and share with all your inter friends. Yes, sir. Now coming to the details about the batch, already I have said this is a Power Prep batch. What do you mean by Power Prep batch? Believe me, this batch will give you an additional power for the advanced accounting paper. Means I always believe that last attempt you have done a lot of preparation. Means I'm not saying that you are not prepared in last attempt, but something was lacking in the last attempt. That we need to understand what was lacking. We need to work on that. And this particular batch, believe me, give a power for that particular preparation. That is my commitment to you all. That is fine. Now the mode of the batch. This batch will be available in 3 modes. First, face-to-face in Chennai. So any student who are residing in Chennai or who can come to Chennai can join our face-to-face batch. Second, this batch will be also available live online in our app. So you can join our app and you can access the live online for this particular video batch. Third, this will be also available in recorded mode. So we'll also provide you the recorded classes if you want to have a recorded mode for this particular batch. Understood? So this batch will be available in 3 modes: face-to-face in Chennai, second, live online in our app, third, recorded mode. Okay, sir, for which we'll provide the Google Drive link. The medium of this particular batch will be completely in English. This batch will be English medium. Okay, sir. The batch is going to commence from 16th of March. It will be for 6 days. Every day will take 8-hour session. Means the entire day will be divided into 2 parts, 4 hours and 4 hours. The timing will be from 8 a.m. in the morning to 6 p.m. in the morning with 2-hour break. So 4 hour, 2 sessions will take in one day. So 6 into 8, 48 hours. In 48 hours, we'll complete the entire syllabus. Means 100% coverage will be taken into consideration from examination point of view. Once again, I will repeat, save the date 16th March. So it will be from 16th March for 6 days, 8 hours per day. Got this point? Timing will be from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. in the 6 p.m. Okay, sir? Yes, sir. Now, what is the objective? Objective is to cover the entire syllabus. Means all the chapters will be taken into consideration. Whether simple chapter, complicated chapter, whatever you think. All the concept of that particular chapters will be covered. Means all concept will be covered. However, important concept will be given more importance in this particular batch. because we are doing this from examination point of view. And we'll also provide one expected question list. Out of that expected question, we'll also practice most of the question in the class, so that with concept clarity you will also have some practice in the revision batch. So we'll also practice most of the expected question in class only, in the batch only. Got this point? Also, the area where normally students do mistake. Normally, what I think, students do some small mistake which they don't understand. Yes, they are doing that mistake. We will try to identify the area where students normally do mistake. And can I say, if you know the area where you do mistake, on a prior basis, you can avoid in exam. So the objective is the main objective will be also to identify the area where you are doing mistake. So what will be the objective? Objective is to cover the entire syllabus from examination point of view. Most of the important concept will be covered in the batch. We'll also cover expected question. We'll also solve expected question in the class, and we'll identify the area where normally students do mistake. What is the target? Target will be 70 plus in advanced accounting paper, not 50 plus, not 60 plus. Will be targeting 70 plus in advanced accounting paper, which is really possible. Believe me, it is possible in advanced accounting paper. If you know the proper concept, if you know how to solve it, then of course you can get 70 marks in advanced accounting paper. Whatever marks you have got in previous attempt, that is not a matter. Okay, sir? Yes, sir. So the target also you have understood. Requirement will be my AS Saaransh book. So of course you don't have my AS Saaransh book, because it might happen you have taken classes from some other faculties, correct? And you are listening my revision classes. We will provide the hard book of my AS Saaransh book. Hard book of my AS Saaransh book, correct? Don't worry about that. So to every student who are doing registration for this particular batch, will provide hard book of AS Saaransh book. Means any student who is availing the live, online or recorded batch will courier that book to your particular address. Okay, sir? Now coming to expected question booklet will provide in soft copy. So expected questions, the list of expected questions, the booklet of expected question will provided in the soft copy. For that, hard book will not be provided. Yes, sir. Now the schedule, you can see the entire schedule is already pre-planned. You can see day 1 to day 6, what are the chapters I will cover. Every chapters have been given details. Means, for example, day 1 I will take, so it is not in AS 10, it is AS 10, AS 10, AS 10, AS 26, AS 13, means investment accounting, AS 2, AS 6, AS 16, AS 12 and AS 28. This will be covered in day 1 in 8 hours. Then day 2, it will be AS 22, AS 19, AS 29, buyback and internal reconstruction, correct? Then day 3, it will be amalgamation chapter and financial statement of company, and day 4 will come to consolidation. Day 4 will come to consolidation with AS 23, AS 27, AS 18 and AS 15 also. Then day 5, branch accounting and cash flow statement with some more accounting standard, and day 6, the balance accounting standard will cover. This will be our plan. If suppose by the end of the day, some chapters are not covered in the planned hours, suppose not covered, quite possible, because normally when I take revision, I'll be not in hurry. I will try to understand whether you are able to understand or not. So quite possible some of the accounting standard might be missed. So don't worry about that. I will record any accounting standard which are missed in this particular revision batch, and I will provide in YouTube. Don't worry about that, correct? But it will be our target to complete the entire syllabus in 6 days only, correct? Yes, sir. So I hope, just make a screenshot, just take a screenshot of this particular screen. Okay, sir? Yes, sir. Now venue for face-to-face will be Nungambakkam, Chennai. Already I have said the face-to-face batch will be held in Chennai. The area will be Nungambakkam. I will suggest that any student who is residing in Chennai or who can come to Chennai must join face-to-face batch, because face-to-face batch is face-to-face batch, because I'll be there, and with me, believe me, you'll get more confidence. However, if you are not able to join face-to-face batch, of course you can avail our live online mode as well as recorded mode. But if you can come to Chennai, if you can join face-to-face batch, my suggestion is that join face-to-face batch. Now, for that, whether you are joining face-to-face batch or live online batch or recorded batch, you need to fill one Google form. The link of the Google form is given in the description of this particular video. So do fill the Google form, because then only our team member will call you and will give you or will guide you about this particular batch. Okay, sir? The fees for the entire batch, the fees will be a very nominal fee, that is 499. And if you are availing for a recorded mode or live online mode, so there'll be one shipping cost extra 100 rupees for that. So the fees is 499. I hope you have understood. Now just jot down these two inquiry number if you want any further details about this particular batch, or if you want to have a test series, mentorship program and study hours in Chennai. Correct now. If you want to join that, so you need to call in this number. What I am saying, this particular whatever announcement I have done, this is only for revision classes. But with this also we are providing test series with assessment. We are also providing study hours in Chennai. We are also providing mentorship program. So if you want to avail that facility, you need to call to this particular number. Correct. Once again, I am saying for face-to-face batch, there is a limited seats. To do register as soon as possible, because registration will be on first come first basis. Okay sir, fill the Google form. Once again I am saying, I hope all the details I have given and you have understood each and every point of this particular batch. So let us meet in the batch, whether it is face to face in Chennai or live online or Google Drive recorded mode, and let us make advanced accounting easy from examination point of view, and let us 470 plus in advanced accounting paper. Once again, what I am saying, that this particular batch will give a power to your previous revision. Believe me, we'll revise the entire concept in such a way that in the coming attempt in advanced accounting paper, you'll be able to score more than 70 plus marks. The target is already fixed. Let us join. Let us make advanced accounting easy from examination point of view. All the best. Love you all. Bye bye.